In triangle OPQ, OP is C vector, OR is B vector, OQ is A vector, and it is given that RQ vector is equal to 2PR vector. Then what is the relationship between A vector, B vector and C vector? Now see here, in triangle OPR, here C vector plus PR vector is B vector. So here B vector is the resultant of C vector and PR vector. So from this PR vector is equal to B vector minus C vector. Equation number 1. Now in triangle ORQ, which one is the resultant vector? Here A is the resultant of B and RQ. So A vector is equal to B vector plus RQ vector. From this, RQ vector is equal to A vector minus B vector. Equation number 2. But in the problem it is given that RQ vector is equal to 2PR vector. It is given. But RQ vector is A minus B vector. And PR vector is B vector minus C vector. So A vector minus B vector is equal to 2B vector minus 2C vector. So here 2B plus B, that is 3B. 3B vector is equal to A vector plus 2C vector. Or you can write A vector plus 2C vector is equal to 3B vector. It is the relations between A vector, B vector and C vector. Thank you.